man who saw the future of Indian manufacturing before the industry caught up, Ravi Kandasamy, founder and CEO of Viyoma Manufacturing, was felicitated as a manufacturing maestro in Bengaluru by Ravi Sastry, Managing Director, Festo India, and Keshav Khurana, Executive Director, Wohlhaupter India. In 1990, he left Hindustan Machine Tools with the forecast and one machine in Hosur. 36 years later, Viyoma is a precision machining operation that the world's largest manufacturers trust with their most critical components, with over 90% of its output exported to customers across the United States and Europe. Low volume, high precision, relentless investment in people, and nearly 2,000 CNC engineers trained and sent into the industry over 3 decades. That is the measure of a manufacturing maestro.
Underground revolution is taking place in India. Really thousands of MSMEs are quietly becoming world-class manufacturers, and we are proud to be one among the pioneers.
As India is moving towards becoming the third largest economy and becoming the global manufacturing powerhouse, these manufacturing companies, especially the MSMEs, will play a significant role. I thank Hari and his team at Machine Makers for doing this wonderful program. I wish them many more success.
This is the second season for Manufacturing Maestro. The first season we had done in 6 cities. This was a really good initiative by Machine Maker.
I want to thank Machine Makers tonight, highlighting, recognizing the life's work of so many entrepreneurs. Special thanks to the team and to the founder for honoring my father, Ravi Kandasamy, and also to the partners and sponsors for bringing us all together.